Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a cannot open JPG or JPEG file in Windows 11 or 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps. After doing this step, click on apps and features. In the search box, type photo, select a Microsoft photo, click on these three dots, click on advanced options, scroll down, click on repair. After that, select a reset. After completing that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. The second method is that in the search box type a PowerShell, open Windows PowerShell, right click, click on run as administrator. After doing this that, copy the command from video description and paste it and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the PowerShell, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on default apps, and after doing this that, in the search box type a JPG. Now here JPG, click on it, change photo to paint, click on OK button. After that, go to your apps, click on default apps, and in the search box type a JPEG, click on photos, scroll down, select a paint and click on OK button, and after that close it. Restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.